Entry number 13. Naghali sa Hugit Balatan, Camarines Sur. Hugit High School MAPI Unit, headed by the Troop Commander Carlo Canyabal. Alin Chan Larissa, S1. Cristal Elcano, S2. Cesar de la Cruz, S3. Ronel Beret, S4. Major Leader Cristala Mitch de la Cruz. Drill Leader Twene Rose Cambino. MAPI Company Commander Ana Gregorio. MAPI Company EXO Gregorio Benson de la Cruz. First Battalion Boys J. Rose Olasiman. Second Battalion Girls Iris Imperial. Principal Mr. Romeo Culina. MAPI Facilitator Maximo Vergado Jr. Major Coordinator Melanie Baruga. DLC Coordinator Antoinette Machado. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 13 from Hugit Balatan, Camarines Sur, Hugit High School MAPI Unit. Thank you very much. That was Hugit High School MAPI Unit, Ali sa Barwagang Balatan, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 14, nagali sa Pedro Buhi, Camarines Sur. Boys and Youth Academy Incorporated.